last chick.
Skylife.
You that.
Yo.
Them now fi yak so that.
Run.
Stand up. Well hot. Dress back. She not regular girl. No regular. My girl not regular girl.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell her. I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell her. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Don't know. My girl Melica Skylife in the building and
Ocean Skylife.
Ocean Skylife. Yo! How are them? Guys, it's about what time, Ocean?
12:36 our time.
So 11:36 down there. We're about to get brunch because breakfast time gone. Basically, I think we're going to
Oh, sit over there. IHOP.
and see next place what me I tell you about what we want to do.
Oh,
Can I get to one?
international. There you go.
Right.
International home of pancakes.
We never know that.
Served 24
Damn, a girl
hours.
be glowing this morning. Yeah, so we're gonna get something
People,
to
you
eat.
see?
What the camera?
The place.
Yeah, cover up the arm.
We're not used to these things only properly. Jesus Christ, people. You need one of the things that the back, man. You can't hold the phone.
Me have the tripod.
No, it's look at something like this. Like
Oh,
this,
yeah.
You stick or something so you can hold the phone properly. Yeah, people, I tell you now. Foreign cold, you know. Foreign cold, bad.
It's
I
kind
mean,
of chilly.
It's very chilly. And look how we in her.
No clothes.
People, look how we in her. Look how we come out in her. Look there. Look how she come out.
Oh, Bobby.
And the place cold. When I say cold, the place really cold. It come like say. Me shit all the way across. They must have one arm.
Why crossing for pedestrian?
That me I say. Not even realize.
Can't play with the road in a youth.
No, cause then foreign driver here, you know.
Maybe there's a thing down there.
But we don't have nowhere to walk. We don't have no sidewalk to walk on, you know.
Guys, they're trying to cross a road. But
Usually there was the stoplight there.
some of them pray.
Yeah.
Stuff like over the sun.
Oh, we are reach over there, stuff, Melica. Me show no people, hold on.
You
Melica,
have
where
to
you...
stop here and turn around.
People, look at this. There's no car now, come on, we run. Wait. Look at this. We could have crossed a while ago for sure. And we cannot find the thing where you press to walk across. Right across. This place is only for drivers because I'm not seeing a stop sign, a stoplight, I mean.
So pedestrian.
The pedestrian crossing, right. Alright, we think we can't run cross now. Wait till a black car pass. I'm not with them. People so we can't cross now. But we can't cross the other one. Yeah, people, so we cross the road, we make it to reach in one piece.
A KFC is right nearby. I really wanted to try the KFC to see if they. No, so shit, me a glow. Me can't take it. Something there. I really wanted to try the hot and spicy barbecue and the regular to see difference with Jamaican KFC. Because people always say foreign KFC tastes different. So
Alright, people, so me I tell her, say, I don't really want to try no KFC because I can't come so far come eat KFC.
I don't eat. We are eating.
Furthermore,
Oh, should I try? We are trying.
But that's a money
KFC.
spending. I mean, I like waste food. So, I don't know that's how it works.
Show them how
But
KFC look.
the KFC look awful. No, it's a KFC and it look nice. It look like you are closed down. Not like nobody over there. Oh!
It's closed, man. Nigga.
No, why they must have drive through? Jesus, drive through open. Oh, just, oh. No, so they haven't signed this up. I don't know, maybe they might renovate or something. But it look like I want abandoned building still, so. But it's a KFC. And it hurt me, I want to do this. Anyways, let me talk about before. Yes, I don't really want to try no KFC, but Melica said she want to try, so we can just buy one box. One of each of the chicken and taste it. Me always hear people saying it tastes good, so I think me need to try if I know if it tastes good. Plus I'm not a KFC lover, but yeah. So, hi. So we are here, guys. IHOP. No, I can't go eat off it, but
this is my first time at IHOP, guys. Ocean been to IHOP before.
When I think those two guys are checking us out.
Yes.
But guess what, people are married, so.
I'm married too.
And Melica married too, so they don't have a chance. But we enter now. It's afternoon now, Mel. People we just go eat breakfast, so Melica they mistake morning for afternoon.
So guys, we're just gonna decide on what we're gonna have, and then when the food comes, we show them what we get. Auntie,
I think I'm gonna have an omelette.
come like you make up a mind from over house already. You did?
Kind of.
I'm gonna
People, I really don't like to try new things. Honestly, it's kind of weird because how do you try something if the first time when you try it, you never knew? But I don't really like to try new things because I hate when food disappoint me, and I'm gonna like waste money, I'm gonna like waste food. So I really like me stick to the ego now. But I might choose something else. I don't know. I go on
yeah, we're gonna look through the menu
and
see what they have, and then choose from that, and then show you guys what we get.
So your pancakes.
So guys, no, I don't get pancakes with this one. So guys, I got waffles and chicken. Ocean got, what did you get? What did you get, man? What did you get?
I got chicken, chicken tahia, omelette, pancake, and orange.
We got orange.
Yeah, you used to go Alvernia, right?
So guys, Jeremy.
No, you used to go Alvernia. You used to go Alvernia?
He got, what did he get? Same thing when I get out my phone and some steak. Jeremy, that's some steak.
Man, cut it up. Why you see? Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Something funny. What that?
They can add gravy. I saw them make it. Okay.
Yes. You get steak, something, pancake.
I'm not eat pancake.
So guys, we're on the road now. We have the dress.
Why would you prefer? You go to New York, right?
You don't like it.
I like here.
Chuck up and so.
Chuck up, it's hot. Not really hot. It's cumbersome now.
Yeah, you know, too much things are going at one time. You can't manage it.
I don't like it. And too much Jamaican up there. It just come like a Jamaican, you did too. Only when where I went. So when we go out, Brooklyn, that's a kind of different.
So guys, pour water. Maserati. We are completed with breakfast. I had waffles for the first time. It was good. I not eat no more fries. I eat fries 3 days in a row. Punki don't want me to Melica don't come back big. But when I come back, I'm gonna hit the gym and be eating. So, but breakfast was good. We're heading to the mall right now.
Yeah, I have breakfast after one.
What? Brunch, sorry. What? Brunch was good. So we're heading to the mall right now. So I'll capture that for you guys. Some bathing. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and tell a friend.
Yo, come the youngest lad. Them can't style me, move on side me. Me no want for Mercury, so best to know avoid me. Notice some calm on me, addressing them kindly. Oh la la, hey, enough for them say them with the thing.
So guys, we're at the mall right now. We are at Levi's.
We're at Macy's.
Macy's.
You know, this is my song.
So just gonna be chilling here a bit today. I need to go for H&M. I don't know if I can't come my friend and I got H&M. So now I'll try to get some over there. So we have one highway span some I want over there. So I'm gonna get that. I think we should have brought our jackets. I'm a little bit chilly and stuff. So, nothing for my belly. Look on my belly.
Look on my belly.
Check out our belly from this side. You push out?
No, push out. Show me a fair belly. Which one look bigger to you?
I don't know. I just ate, so it's gonna be a bit puffy and stuff like that. What? Quality up and bathing. The mall is not so busy today. I'm not sure if this. I wonder if we get a massage at one of them chairs. You got kinds of yeah, the mall is not so busy today. I don't know if it's because it's a weekday.
I'm looking for a very cheap store.
No, that store there, no? I live. Looks so. Why in a PLS looks so? Look here. I don't know. Is going out of business, my nigga. I'm famous no shoes. And I just can't keep myself away. Guys, so we're at the mall looking on some stuff to see if we like anything. Basically, it's not what I like so far, you know. That's one easy back counting. I'm feeling mad tired. I don't know if it's because we ate so late. You got to step me. It's fashionable. So, yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys when we have something else and stuff. Hi guys. I am so tired. I've been on the road from morning. We're still on the road. What? I want to rest my foot through. And Jeremy and I cost me from morning, I know I'm not doing nothing. I'm just miserable. The net of our company vlog say, no say, you must be baked.
Are you say you want?
Hear him. Miserable. Jesus.
You don't understand the price. Everything $1.
So we're trying to get some stuff. We're getting some water because we've been thirsty. Yeah. How much for them? So we have pick up some iconic snacks. Another place here. You know, $1 store and stuff. So we are going to deal with that. Some bathing, washing. We really want the water.